Social penetration theory. Social penetration theory proposes that, as relationships develop, interpersonal communication moves from relatively shallow, non-intimate levels to deeper, more personal ones. The theory was formulated by psychologists Erwin Altman and Dalmas Taylor to provide an understanding of the closeness between two individuals. Major concept of social penetration. Stages of self-disclosure. The decision about whether a potential relationship appears satisfying is not immediate. Relationship development occurred rather systematic decision, and decisions about whether people want to remain in a relationship are not usually made quick. Orientation. Revealing bits of ourselves to other people. Exploratory affective exchange. Emergence of individual's personality. Affective exchange. Spontaneous communication. Use of personal idioms. Stable exchange. Efficient communication. Establishment of a personal system of communication. 1. Orientation stage. It is where the communicators become acquainted by observing mannerisms in personal dress and by exchanging non-intimate information about themselves. 2. Exploratory affective stage. Communicators begin to reveal more about themselves, such as their opinions concerning 1. Orientation stage. It is where the communicators become acquainted by observing mannerisms in personal dress and by exchanging non-intimate information about themselves. 2. Exploratory affective stage. Communicators begin to reveal more about themselves, such as their opinions concerning 3. Affective stage. Communicators begin to disclose personal and private matters. Personal ways of speaking, such as using idioms or unconventional language, is allowed to come through. Communicators feel comfortable enough to argue or criticize each other. 4. Stable stage. They can predict how the other person will react to certain types of information. Discussing different topics such as family, hobbies, professional or educational background, and favorite foods. Depth encompasses the degree of intimacy that guides topic discussions, for example, discussing a range of feelings associated with family problems or life ambitions instead of non-intimate facts. The most iconic love story of Romeo and Juliet from Shakespeare could be considered as typical illustration of the social penetration theory. This romantic relationship between the two characters started when they first met. Initially, Romeo, who belonged to the Montagues family, was in love with a woman named Rose.